Hi, this is David Hawthorne at astroview.com. Today is the 19th of September 2012. So this is the Vedic astrology chart for the time of the departure of the Hindenburg on May 3rd, 1937 at 7:16 p.m. in Frankfurt, Germany. So we see that this gives the Libra rising sign. The seventh sign of the zodiac was ascending. And we see that the main period ruler at the time was the moon, and the sub-period ruler at the time was Ketu. So this started in April 1937, and that ran until November 1937. So this is the time period here: moon main period, Ketu sub-period. So let's take a look at these planets here. Moon is sitting in the fourth house, which is conveyances. Now Ketu is sitting down here in the eighth house of accidents and death-like experiences. And Ketu aspects 5, 7, and 9 houses from where it sits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this moon is at 19 degrees. Ketu's at 22 degrees. So Ketu is afflicting this moon because it's within 5 degrees. If it's not within 5 degrees, there's no impact. See, this Ketu has no impact on Jupiter, and it has no impact on Mercury because they're outside of 5 degrees. But its ninth aspect is on Moon. And Moon rules his 10th house of karma and professional life and career. Interestingly, this is Libra rising sign, which is an air sign. So here's the Hindenburg leaving Frankfurt, Germany on May 3rd, 1937 at 7:16 p.m. in the evening. So we know that this Ketu, which is old karma, catastrophes, explosions, operating out of the 8th house of accidents and death-like experiences, is afflicting Moon. Moon rules the public. And it rules the 10th house of karma and professional life and career. We also see that this is Libra rising sign ruled by Venus. And where has Venus gone? Venus is in the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th house, down here in the 6th house. 6th house is Pisces rising sign, but the 6th house is called the Dustan Baba. It's an inauspicious house. Planets going there become weak. And this happens to be the house of enemies, fire, explosions, accidents. And Venus also rules conveyances, which is transportation. Now the other issue that's very significant is that Mercury rules this 12th house. This is the 12th house, Virgo, ruled by Mercury. So let's count where Mercury has gone. Mercury this is the first house of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mercury's down here in the 8th house. 8th house is a Dustan Baba, inauspicious house. And this is the house of accidents and death-like experiences. Now, Mercury rules this 12th house. One of the significations for the 12th house is foreign lands. So Mercury ruling foreign lands has gone into the 8th house of accidents and death-like experiences. And indeed, Hindenburg had left Frankfurt, Germany, en route to New Jersey. So in my opinion, it is very important to always take a look at the time of departure. Whether you're going on an airplane, a helicopter, a boat, a spaceship, we want to look at the time. We want to look at the chart for the time of the departure. And if that chart is afflicted, you better be careful. So here, Venus ruling the chart is in the 6th house of fire, explosions, accidents. Main period, Moon is afflicted by Ketu operating out of the 8th house of accidents, death-like experiences, vulnerability, transformations. And Ketu is explosions. Ketu is old karma. and Ketu was the operating planet. Your main period ruler is the general trend or riverbed of time, and your sub-period ruler is the operating planet. So it shows very clearly that this was not an ideal chart for this particular voyage.